Hello my dear children, welcome in Shruti's classroom. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 4 in science subject. The name of lesson is Bird, a Flying Wonder. So let us start. Children, birds are one of the most beautiful creatures on the earth. They are found everywhere. We see a variety of birds around us. Birds are of various shapes, sizes and colors. Each type of bird has different features which allow them to live in its surroundings. Some birds have large wings that help them to fly long distances. Some have webbed feet to swim in water. The basic structure, however, is same for all birds. Let's we see first basic structure of a bird. The body of a bird consists of head, beak, wings, feathers, legs, feet and tail, etc. These are all common parts of a bird. Next part is light body. Some birds have a light and boat-shaped or streamlined body which is made up of a strong framework of bones. These bones are hollow and light in weight, means empty space inside the bone. That's why birds can fly easily in air. Children, we will take information about each basic body part of a bird one by one. First one is beak. Different birds have different types of beaks according to their food habits. A bird uses its beak to catch and eat food. We will see various types of beaks in detail later in this lesson. Children, next part of bird is wings. Birds fly with the help of wings. Birds have a pair of strong wings. Wings are joined to the body with strong muscles that help them to move. These muscles help the bird to move its wings. The wings have long feathers attached to them. These wings help the bird to fly. Children, let's we see next part, that is feathers. Feathers of a bird. Feathers of birds are of different types and colors. Each type of feather serves a different purpose. First one is body feathers. Body feathers cover the body of birds and give shape to their body. Second one is down feathers. Down feathers are fluffy and soft. They keep the bird's body warm. They are short in length. Third one is flight feathers. Flight feathers are found mainly on the wings and tail of a bird. They help the bird to fly and balance body in air. Children, next part of bird is tail. The tail of a bird helps it in changing direction while flying, like rudder of a boat. Rudder means a piece of wood or metal to control the direction of boat. Children, last one part of bird is feet. These help the birds to walk on land. Birds have 2 feet, usually with 4 toes on each. The feet of different birds have claws, means curved, pointed, horny nail on each toe of the bird. Claws help the bird hold onto the tree branches as well as to catch and hold food. So children, today we have introduced about the structure of a bird. I hope all of you have understood the concept. Next part of lesson, that is types of beaks, we will see on next lecture. Till that time, bye bye. See you.